Hello everyone. So today we are going to see Lovable. So Lovable is basically an AI powered software development platform that allow us to build website, web application using natural language instead of doing any coding. So it was created to make software development accessible to everyone, like people who don't know coding, they can just build the website they want without any traditional coding knowledge using normal language. So it's basically we have to type our prompt. Prompt is basic like what we wanted to build, what we need, etc. And it will generate a website to us. So it has basic UI, nothing much. Like it has some templates we can see, and we can use them to modify them to our own needs. The modifying of template is can be also done using natural language. Like see this template, we can use it, preview it. There are many templates. Uh, we can see that website, apps, portfolios. So let's say this portfolio. So basically, it's all generated by Lovable only. Like no one did coding. Let's see one more example of the template. Let's see this. So we can also use this template and generate our own website from it. We can also publish our own website that we generate and basically use the let other use it. So like the Microsoft use Lovable, 11 Labs use Lovable, Zendesk use Lovable, Uber use Lovable. Yeah, it's very popular website to build the web app. Like let's see this one, this template also. It's pretty cool. So yeah, we can do some editing and other stuff like that. So let's build our own website using the web. So basically, to get the best response, we should make our prompt uh, pretty detailed. Like we can use other LLMs like GPT, Claude to write prompt and to give the idea what we wanted to build, and they will generate a prompt on our that need. So basically, we can use normal language. It will only build. It can also build on that. But giving the proper detailed prompt will be beneficial. Like it will be pretty detailed and tell what to build, what to not build, and what our idea is. So we can also attach our design file, screenshots, design from Figma and other tools. There is a connector. Connector basically act as a we don't need to add any external services API. It will all integrate automatically. So it connector is used to connect the application we are building with external services. So there are many connectors we can see like Cloud, Stripe, Shopify, LinkedIn, etc. So basically, these are all connectors that can be connected in Lovable. Yeah, so let's use this prompt I previously built. We just copy and paste. There is a plan mode and build mode. So like plan is design discuss with the AI before building what to do, what to not do, and build is directly building. There is also a voice mode. We can enable it so we can also give the prompt from our voice. So let's build it. It's basically this prompt is about designing a premium e-commerce streetwear website for Gen Z and young millennium. So yeah, it will use different example also. So yeah, let's wait till it builds. So yeah, some cool facts about Lovable. Let's discuss. It can build full stack application, not only front end. Uh, there is also a feature for GitHub Sync. Like we can save our changes and make sync in GitHub. It is very easy to use that also. It also have some it also have native Supabase integration, uh, like database authentication and storage and other backend features can be connected in just a few clicks. This is the Lovable is very good for non-coders, like people with little or no programming knowledge and experience can build working application in just some moments. Many users create SaaS products and some tools without without hiring developers. Like using only Lovable and getting its paid plan that will enhance their limit. It also have one-click deployment. Like we can go from idea to app, then live website very quickly, often within hours. Like it used to take weeks or months to make a basic website, but it can be done in hours using Lovable. Some it, it's just a fact, like not a fact. It's original, but it's very less known. But Lovable was an open source project. Like it was GPT engineer before evolving uh, into a full commercial platform. So Lovable is like having an AI software engineer that can turn a simple conversation into a working web application, complete with database authentication, integration, and deployable code. For a comparison, like ChatGPT, it generates text. Cursor help a developer write code, but Lovable generates an entire application from conversation, and also we can deploy it. So yeah, that was Lovable. Let's wait for the streetwear e-commerce site. Let's read, go through a prompt like its introduction, like it's fully responsive website with desktop, tablet, and mobile layout, UI, cutting edge UX. So it's pretty detailed prompt like what to do, what all things to have, what all pages it should have. It's basically helping the AI to get knowledge like what we want actually. You can see that the preview is ready. It may contain errors like, but yeah, it can be used pretty good. Good. It can be edited. It can be error free. Yeah, the website is actually pretty good. Like midnight or 50p online. So let's wait for it to load and then we'll go through this site. It's pretty cool looking. Proper streetwear e-commerce app. So yeah, we can see that it generated a pretty cool website. Proper website for the streetwear brand actually. Hoodies, we can see oversized t-shirt. Yeah, generated collection. Yeah, it generated the home page, but it's pretty good. Like this website will take a month or two to build, without any help of AI. But AI, the Lovable generated in few minutes. It also have the element feature, like we can also see it. We can edit it, specific element. Like if I want to edit this element, there is also edit text inline. So it made website responsive. It's pretty cool to see that website build is pretty good. Yeah, here's the code. Whole code can be downloaded if we upgrade our app, our subscription. But yeah, it's pretty cool actually to see this website being made from our prompt only. So yeah, that's it for the Lovable. We can try it out with many website and other things.